So good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Paper Pumpkin today. That's because tomorrow is the 10th of the month, and that is going to be your last chance to get the December Paper Pumpkin kit, which our little sneak peek is showing on the screen for you right now. The December kit is called Berry Comforting, and of course it has a teddy bear theme to it. And it includes supplies to make 12 full-size cards, and you'll get the coordinating envelopes to go with that. So I wanted to make sure that you had a chance to subscribe for that. Remember that Paper Pumpkin is a month-to-month kit. You can always skip a month if you don't want a certain kit, or you can even add more kits. So perhaps you know someone that might want to do one of these kits at home. They have everything you need in them, so you can always increase the number of kits you receive each month as well. So I'll often just add an extra one just in case somebody wants to do one that way. So I want to show you what was in the November kit because it was super cute, and just do a little unboxing and demonstration with that. So let me see if I can switch you over here. Okay, so hopefully you're seeing the Paper Pumpkin kit there. And I have already opened it up, and I created a little gift box for some of my cookies. And so I created this little accent there. This is one of the mini Paper Pumpkin boxes. So it just looks like a miniature version of our larger ones. And inside I'm going to put some fresh baked cookies in there to give to someone. And you have this little thing that says a sweet treat for you. The plaid paper is from the Plaid Designer Series paper that is in the mini catalog. So I do believe that is still available if you want some holiday paper. So I'm going to set that one aside, and let's take a look inside the Paper Pumpkin kit. So you of course get your instruction sheet, and this will give you all of your examples on there. And if you're brand new to stamping, it also gives you step-by-step picture instructions on that too. So that's really nice to have. All right, well, I threw my block in there. That doesn't come, but if it is your first time ordering, you will get an acrylic block that you can stamp with. And then it always includes a Stampin' Spot, so a coordinating color for everything that's in there. And this one is Blushing Bride this month. So there's that. We have some embellishments here, and these are adorable. I really wish the Stampin' Up! Would make these available all the time. They are just super duper cute. And then we also have our adhesives in here. So we have some dimensionals and some sticky strip in there to put together our projects with. And then we have our stamp set. So each month with these kits, you do get a complete stamp set. So even after you're done making all of your projects, you'll have more that you could create with that. So I didn't know if you could see these very well on here, so I went ahead and stamped them on a separate sheet of paper so that you could see exactly what was included in that stamp set. Let me pull that down just a little there. Okay, so you can see you've got some great little images that you could color or create accents with, and just tons of greetings that you could create cards, tags, or gift packaging with. So lots of fun stuff in that. All right, then inside, like I said, I've already dug into this a little bit. So this was the back of that piece that we did. So I'm just going to put that aside. And then you'll have some little punch-out pieces that you can use. These are for stamping your images. And then these were our little cards. Now, this was designed strictly to be for gift card holders, which is perfect for this time of year. And I believe there was enough here for 20. So that's quite a bit. And then you've got your cute little envelopes to go with that. And then there's some more of those pieces to stamp on. So I thought I would show you, well, let me grab this out too. So this also shows you some alternative ideas. And if you follow the Paper Pumpkin page on Facebook, then they always share alternative ideas there, and you can always get alternative ideas on Pinterest as well. So I do try to make some of those available. If you're not following me there, make sure that you're doing that. All right, so let's make one of these little gift card holders the way that it's meant to be made. So I'm going to just take this little punch piece out. And really, what's great about Paper Pumpkin is if you don't have very many supplies, you really don't have to have very much. The one thing I do recommend, I think mine fell on the floor, so let me grab it. All right, is one of these pads, the little stamping pads. It just gives you a nicer surface to stamp on, and I find that my projects turn out a lot better that way. So I'm just going to take all those little punch pieces out, and I'm going to grab my stamp set over here, and we're going to start by stamping this little flourish up at the top. So I'm going to open my ink pad, and we're just going to ink that up really good. So, you know, if you subscribe to Paper Pumpkin for a year, you're going to end up with 12 stamp sets and 12 of these little ink pads. And I really like these little ink pads also for whenever I'm using my Stamparatus. I just find that they're very forgiving for that. So I'm going to ink that up. So I've got my little image there. I'm going to peel that one off. I'll clean that up later. And I'm going to do this little border on there. So again, I'm going to ink that up. And we're just going to put this project together exactly like it is in the kit. But like I said, if this isn't, you know, if you don't need gift card holders, you can create these into little gift tags. Okay, so I've got that all stamped. I'll just show you. Kind of gives a nice little flourish look to it. Okay, and then let's decide what our greeting should be. I'm thinking I'm just going to do a happy holidays on this one. So I'm going to get my block here and the happy holidays. And let's just, I'm going to do a yellow piece here. I'm going to do that on that one. And our ink pad again. Okay. And it tells you to go ahead and do a back piece for your card. I'm not going to do that just because I want to have a few more of those to make some other projects with. So I am doing it slightly different than it's supposed to be. All right, let me grab a card. So I've got my little gift card here. I'm going to fold that in half. And it's got this little tab here. So let's open our package here. We've got lots of goodies in this. Yeah, these would be something I would hoard, these little candy stickers. These are adorable. All right, so I'm going to use just a little bit of this stronger adhesive. And we're going to put that along the edge here. We'll just, it also says to put a little bit at the bottom, but I'm not going to worry too much about that. So I'm going to put that there. So I guess if you wanted to, go ahead and seal that up. It's got some mini glue dots here. You could seal it up with that, especially if you don't want your gift card to fall out. I'm assuming that's the purpose of that. But I know you have a gift card to really demonstrate that to you. Okay, so we've got that. We're going to put this on with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And again, I haven't shown you anything here that wasn't included in the kit. The only thing I've shown today that wasn't in the kit is this little pad, and that's it. Everything else was included in the kit, and there's enough inside here for you to make 20 different projects. So again, I'm going to put that right there, and then I want to pop this part of the house up also. Now I do have one extra of this kit, so if someone is interested in that, you can let me know. I usually just do first come, first served on that. If you've already gotten one from me before, we'll give somebody else a chance on that one. All right, so I've got that right there. And then we want to add just a couple of our little stickers here. So I'm going to put one right there. Do another one here. And we'll do one more. Okay. And there is our finished gift card holder. Isn't that cute? So this will be a fun way to present the gifts. Now again, remember this kit isn't available anymore, so you missed out on this one, but if you don't want to miss out on the next one, be sure that you subscribe by tomorrow. I've got the link in the description so that you can go right ahead and subscribe to the next one. And I know that's going to be a great kit. It's got 12 full-size cards. That should arrive to you probably right around the holidays. Be a perfect thing to even do with the kids if you're home on Christmas vacation. So I do hope to see some new subscribers in my list. Have a great week, and I will talk with you soon.